Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can download the TikTok videos without the TikTok watermarks on it. Sometimes you might need to post those TikTok videos into other social media platforms such as Instagram Reels or your Facebook stories, your Instagram stories. So if you want to use those TikTok videos in other platforms, then you might not want to have the TikTok watermarks on it. If you want the videos without TikTok watermark, please watch the video till the end. It will be really useful for you. So in this video I am presenting 3 ways by which you can download TikTok videos and you won't have any TikTok watermark on those videos. So the first way is, first of all, find the video which you want to download. Click on 3 dot and save video. So this will save the regular video from TikTok with the TikTok watermarks, and again you have to go 3 dot and live video option, and this will save as a live photo. So if you go to the gallery of your phone, you can see one as a video and one as a live photo, and from live photo go to options and save as video. So this will save as a video and you can delete the live photo. So now you can see there are 2 videos, one with the TikTok watermarks on it and another is without watermarks, but this video without watermark also have no sound. That's why now we have to mix these up. So to mix it up, go to any video editor and choose 2 videos. Now the first video, you have to choose the first one and go to audio, then on link, and you have to delete the first frame. So the audio will be automatically placed on the second frame. Now you can export the video from the video editor and save it. This video will have no TikTok watermark on it. The second method by which you can download TikTok videos without watermarks is by using the website called snaptik.com. For this, go to the video you want to download and click on the share button. From share button, you can copy the link. Once you copy the link, go in the Safari browser. In the Safari browser, type snaptik.com and go to that website. In the website, you paste your TikTok video link and you will see the option to download. From the options, you download the videos and you can see the progress on the top right corner of your Safari browser. Click on the top right corner of download option, and from there you can see the video and it has been downloaded here, and you can go to share option and save as a video, and this will save your video in your photos or in the gallery, and there will be no watermarks on that video. And the third and the very simple method is you have to download the videos as normally you do, and it will be saved in your gallery. After you download the video, go to any video editor and insert that video into the video editor. Inside the video editor, you can add the sticker in the place where there is the TikTok watermark. So the sticker will just stay over the watermark so that your watermark will not be visible. In this way you can export the video and your TikTok watermark will be hidden inside the sticker. So those were the 3 ways by which you can download your TikTok videos without TikTok watermark on it. I hope this video might be useful to you. If you find this video useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.